everybody, I'm here to do my 5 yoga poses in nature, which happens to be my front porch this week. I'm feeling super tired. I have my notes. I don't know, I've been getting some really weird looks in public. So either somebody is like videotaping me while I do yoga and posting it on their page from their own camera, or somebody's seen me dancing in my car. I don't know, but I've been getting weird looks from people, so I'm just gonna keep living my best life. I need movement, I need stretching, I need to breathe fresh air, and this is why I'm doing this. So if I can provide entertainment for people, great. Okay, so the 2 poses that I could not remember last night is the cat-cow pose. So I bought a foam roller, and I'm going to try foam rolling my spine because I don't really know that I'm bending my spine. So my goal is to do 4 breaths while I'm in each pose, and again, my shoulder blades, my spine does not bend the opposite way. So this is the cow, and potentially my back should arch. There we go. But my hands should be down on my hips, but I'm just going to keep them here so that I can feel some kind of bend in my spine. And I can't talk for this one. It doesn't bend. I don't know. I'm going to try foam rolling and see if I get any more progress. Okay, this one's really hard. Balancing is super hard for me. And I watched my video yesterday and my back was not even straight. But when I do, then I can't do 4 breaths. So okay, so I did it, and that was my left foot. So now I'm standing down on my right foot. It might look like the opposite leg in the video, but I do know my right from my left. I think I did it, guys. And the last pose is so challenging for me. It's supposed to be the prayer pose behind my back. And my right hand, even like when I'm holding it in the front, doesn't go back, right? Like it doesn't bend backwards. Like this one, I can do a full 90 degrees. This one, oh, I'm really pushing, but I guess I can. But now I'm trying to put my tight deltoid, front anterior deltoid, behind my back, and it makes me cry, guys. Okay, so I'm doing it. My pinky side is touching way more than my pointer finger side. I'm really, really doing that with my face. Ooh, the moon is pretty. I'm just going to focus on that. It's very orange. I don't know if it's good for my hand to be stretching in the places it was stretching, but it was stretching. So that's going to be sore. I'm going to use Deep Blue Rub on that, and it'll feel fine as frog's hair. If people are making fun of me, I may as well do it first, right? All right. I don't know what's going on, but let's see if we can check out this moon. See that? Can you even see my finger? Look at the moon. Can't see how orange it is on here. But enjoy life, everybody. Have a great night.